Matumbo is a common dish in East Africa, and it is a local term for the edible stomach lining or intestines of animals, also known as tripe. It is mainly cooked separately from the other parts. To cook matumbo, you can choose various methods. One of them is by frying. In this video, I take you through the process of cooking goat's intestines to make a delicious dish that can be served with ugali or other accompaniments. Take a look. First, you need to clean the intestines thoroughly. Running water is recommended as it intensifies the cleanliness. Then chop the intestines into small sizes depending on your preferences. Ingredients such as onions, coriander, popularly known as dhania, tomatoes, ginger, and other spices of your choice. After chopping, put them into a cooking pot, add a little water and stir using a wooden spoon. Onions are recommended as they give the matumbo a better flavor. Chop the onions into small pieces. Also prepare the dhania and other ingredients into small pieces by either chopping or grating them. Add them to the matumbo one after another and keep on stirring. Add salt and any other spices that you are comfortable with. In our case, we used only salt. You may add a little water if the matumbo turns sticky. Stir until the matumbo is ready.
kabisa. Unaweka ndani hapo. Asichange color. Unataka tu kiiva kabisa, ukitaka kufungulia unaweka hapo na unatoa.
This is our matumbo after a few minutes. Looks delicious, right?
Wewe ongeza maji hapa. Ongeza maji. Wewe. Ndio kile. Pia. Pure quality of work.
We take it with ugali. For watching. For more of this kind of videos, please subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video.